welcome back to my page. It's good to have you guys back. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial that I just really am feeling right now. Like I woke up this morning and I'm like, I want to do a nice warm red smoky eye. So today's date night. So hubby and I are going to go to Home Sense. Legit, that is the thing that makes me happy. Going to Home Sense. It makes me so happy. Oh, let's get to it. What I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. Now I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealers. These are the drugstore concealers that I reviewed before, and it's in the color C10. This color is way too light for me to even use, so I'm gonna use it to conceal and prime my eyelids. Who is this? I'm really feeling her voice. I'm gonna take this Morphe 3502 palette. Take this color over here. I'm gonna take this color. Woo! Look at this bright color over here. Just gonna pack that on my brush. Alright, so once I pack that on my eyelids, I'm gonna take that same brush and whatever's left over on it, I'm just gonna drag it under my eye. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna take that same crease brush and crease color and just diffuse any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna go in with the second darkest color, which is like this ash brown color, and I'm gonna drag it on my outer crease area, drag it down into my crease and kind of smoke it all out. Next, I'm going to take a really tiny blending brush and I'm gonna take black eyeshadow in the same palette and kind of pretend to draw eyeliner with it, if you know what I mean. Just basically smoke it out on my lash line. And you can be a little messy with this because I'm going to show you a really cool hack on how to make your eyeshadow look like this to this. Alright, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to wipe all under my eye, but still leaving some smokiness on my bottom lash line, and just kind of clean everything up and create the shape that I want. You can go with a V or you can go with a rounded smoky look, but it just cleans everything up. Next, I'm gonna go in with this really clean. I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines, and voila, you go from a hot mess to, you know, looking like you meant to look like that. Next, I'm just gonna correct my under eyes, put on some of the Bobbi Brown foundation. Now I will list everything down in the description box for you guys. And then I'm gonna go in with this drugstore $4 concealer. Yes, $4, well, £4. I need to get used to saying pounds. It's been 2 years now, damn. Alright, so this palette here is by NYX and it's brand new. It just came out a couple days ago and I was trying it out here for the first time ever. That's the second darkest color. Second darkest color, yeah. It is way too light for me, so I went in with the darkest color and it kind of worked. It had a gray undertone, it was so creamy, and I discovered that this product blends so flawlessly. I was extremely impressed. And the colors weren't dark enough for everybody, but the darkest color worked for me, which is not good enough. But anyways, I really do enjoy this product. I think there are inserts that you can buy darker colors for, so it may just be the palette that they sent me, but yeah, how beautiful does it look? And it makes my face look naturally contoured. I'm gonna go in with some of this mascara, and then I'm gonna take a brush and lightly fluff it with powder and dab it onto my face. Just dab, 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 all the oily bits. Now, when I put on the concealer, I forgot to mention I didn't bring it all the way up to my bottom lash line. I left a gap where the bottom eyeshadow is. So now when I set everything in place, I can go in with a blending brush and just blend out any harsh lines. I'm gonna go in with this highlighter palette, and this is a beautiful highlighter palette in a collaboration with Kristen Liane in Urban Decay. I am then going to use this multi-stick Lip, Cheek, and Eye Stick by Bite Beauty, which is probably one of my favorite products this month. And just kind of warm it up on my lips, and then once it's warm, I'm going to apply it onto my cheeks. Now, how beautiful. This definitely completes the look. I'm going to take that same highlighter and apply it onto my inner tear duct area, and it just brings the whole look together. I am then going to take some and put it under my brow bone. It's just so pretty. Smoke that out with the clean blending brush again. And this is the weird but beautiful part. I'm going to draw on fake freckles, faux freckles, and I'm using eyebrow gel. Now, I love the look of freckles. I think it's so beautiful. It makes your face look so healthy, and it looks very natural, and especially on a dramatic look like this, I feel like it brings it back to natural me. There's nothing that looks natural about these freckles, but I just absolutely love faux freckles. I just love freckles in general, so just leave me alone. I'm gonna go in with this nude lip liner by Lancome and the Kristen Leanne lipstick, which is, I didn't realize until I was putting it on, the exact same color, which is perfect. Now, a really cool trick that I've discovered is that you can contour your lips to give you more of a pouty, fuller lip. So I'm going to take some of the contour colors that I use on my cheeks and kind of blend that into the outer lip line area. And then I'm going to take that same warm crease color that we used, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just dab that onto my lips, and it adds a more matte finish to the lip. And it also makes it more of a spiced color. It's just so beautiful. It complements my crease so lovely. I'm gonna go in with these mink lashes. Now, one of my main pet peeves is seeing lash glue on people's makeup. There's no excuse for that, ladies. So what you could do is take a matte brown or black eyeshadow, depending on the eye look you're going for, and take a really tiny brush and just press it onto the glue once it's dried. And there you go, guys. FaceTime your bestie from all the way in Toronto. Hey, Nilab, what up? Dance with her a little, and that's it. That's how you achieve this makeup look. And this is the finished makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I think it's super hot, super trendy, and definitely something that I'm going to be wearing tonight. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're already there, you might as well just hit that bell notification to get notified every time I upload a video. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Mwah! Love you guys so much. Have a blessed day. Bye!